Yamaha has once again presented a surprise for retro-style motorbike lovers by releasing the XSR125 Legacy Edition. This motorbike is an evolution of the standard XSR125, which now looks more attractive with a strong classic design touch without neglecting modern features that support performance and driving comfort. One of the main attractions of the XSR125 Legacy Edition is the use of gold-colored spoke rims that exude a luxurious and classic aura. This gold color contrasts with the matte black body, creating an elegant and classy look. The fuel tank with retro graphics, brown leather-covered seat, and chrome details on several parts add a strong vintage impression. Equipped with a 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, the XSR125 Legacy Edition is capable of producing 14 HP of power and 8.8 lb-ft of torque. This engine is combined with a 6-speed transmission, providing smooth and responsive acceleration. With a claimed fuel consumption of more than 140 mpg, this motorbike is very efficient for daily use in urban areas and medium-distance travel. Despite its retro design, the XSR125 Legacy Edition is not far behind in terms of technology. This motorbike is equipped with an LED lighting system, an informative digital instrument panel, and an ABS braking system for maximum safety. The sturdy delta box frame and telescopic front suspension and monoshock rear suspension ensure comfortable riding in various road conditions. Comfort and ergonomics, suitable for various circles. With a seat height that is friendly for both beginners and experienced riders, and an upright and relaxed riding position, the XSR125 Legacy Edition offers optimal comfort for daily trips and light touring. Its lightweight also makes it easy to maneuver in heavy traffic. The Yamaha XSR125 Legacy Edition is the perfect choice for those who want a motorbike with a classic look but equipped with modern features. Its attractive design, efficient engine performance, and the riding comfort it offers make it an attractive option in the neo-retro motorbike segment.